Oh, there's a bat. No way. That is the first bat that I've seen all year. And normally, I see them all the time, like every season, like at my place. Like, I guess, yeah, like summertime. Like, right, like late spring, early summer. They're like these little tiny fruit bats. They're like, their body is like the size of a mouse. They're like really, really small. And they eat insects. Like all those clouds of freaking gnats that I was riding my bike through just now, complaining about. They like fly back and forth through those clouds and totally thin the herd. Those bats are like really good for bug control. They eat a lot of insects. Oh, hell yeah. Too bad I was freaking messing with my laundry. I missed the moonrise. Well, no wonder Chili's been going crazy past day or two. And tonight it's a full moon. And I don't know if any of your pets are like that, but Chili is definitely like that. Maybe because she's more like a wild animal than a domesticated animal, like in that sense. Maybe that's why. But oh wow, look at that. Looks like a falcon. They got a different nose on them. That's what I was trying to... Some of the birds around here... I mean, we got owls, and then we got hawks, and we got falcons. And the hawks and the falcons look very similar to each other. It's just their noses and their coloring. Oh, whoa, there's a deer! You are not even going to be able to see that on the freaking GoPro. What a shame that is. There's a deer right there. That is so cool, man. Wow, it's a little baby. Look at the size of its ears. That is so cool, man. Yeah, it's a youngin'. Hey, you better go home, little feller. Yeah, good. He split out. I'm gonna go this way. I'm not gonna continue my ride any farther that way. I'm gonna go this way so that he's not like in between me and civilization, because I don't want to force him that way. If anything, I want him to run back the other way where he was, not this way toward town. Hopefully he just took off and went the other way. Oh, there's another bat. Hell yeah. That's cool, man. Hey. How's it going? What the hell? Weird, man.